If you follow us, you've probably heard about Bill 5, the Protect Ontario by Unleashing Our Economy Act, that became law in June of last year. Despite widespread opposition from Indigenous communities and the public, Ontario is moving ahead with its implementation and entrenching the sweeping powers Bill 5 introduced to override environmental protections, Indigenous rights, and the rights of the public, all under the guise of protecting Ontario's economy. Here are 3 key issues that you should know about. Firstly, the province has passed a regulation setting out the criteria that must be met before they can designate an area as a special economic zone, giving them way too much discretion to decide where and to whom laws and regulations do or don't apply. This means that the province can decide that an entire region designated as a special economic zone is exempt from having to comply with the legal safeguards if the province is of the opinion that it will be economically significant and strategically important to Ontario's economy, both of which are undefined terms. The second issue is about cultural heritage. An important step before starting construction for any project is doing an archaeological assessment to find out whether the area has cultural heritage value that should be protected. But the province has proposed a regulation to exempt companies from having to complete these assessments. This means that the province will be able to authorize the destruction of cultural heritage with no consequences. And in practice, the province will also be able to evade their constitutional duty to consult Indigenous people, because it is often these archaeological assessments that trigger the duty to consult when artifacts or sacred sites are found. The last issue is equally concerning. We know we are living in a biodiversity crisis, and yet the province is proposing a series of regulations to further weaken the protection of species at risk and their habitats, and remove your right to have a say in decisions that could have serious ecological impacts. Clearly, Ontario is not backing down. And with Parliament coming back from their winter break in just under a month, we need them to know that we have not forgotten about Bill 5. We will keep you updated as Bill 5 continues to unfold, but in the meantime, please sign and share our letter that's linked in our bio calling for the repeal of Bill 5. We have briefing notes about each of these issues up on our website if you want to learn more.